Happy Thursday, everyone, and thanks again for checking in. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. The eastern U.S. a little quieter after the active weather that we had earlier this week. Of course, on Monday, Tuesday, we had some tornadoes, heavy rain, flooding, some snow and ice pushing into the northern New England states, and has since faded. And now we focus our attention on the western U.S. with some heavy rain and snow starting to fade a little bit as we take you into the next several-day time period. But as that storm system moves east, it'll push that record warmth east as well into the central U.S. So again, the storm system on the eastern seaboard is pretty much wrapped up. As we take a look at that forecast in the western U.S., this big storm system there is pushing this very mild weather into the central U.S. So over the next 2 to 3 day time period, there could be some record warmth, especially today, even as far north as Rapid City, South Dakota, looking at a high temperature there, possibly 70. Same for Denver, there on the front range of the Rockies, and the heaviest moisture over a 5 day period is kind of situated there from northern California to western Washington and Oregon, central and northern portions of the Rockies with some high elevation snow. And the moisture starts to return to the lower Mississippi Valley, maybe along with some thunderstorm potential of about an inch or two total liquid amounts. There's the heaviest snowfall, again, in the high elevations of the Sierra Nevada range to the Cascades in the northern Rockies. Now, the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook still shows that the western U.S. will be warmer than average as we approach the end of the month, but starting to cool down a little bit in the southeastern and eastern U.S. Here's that big bubble of warmth. You can see that readings here about 15 to almost 35 degrees above average. Again, quite a few records being set today. But for this afternoon, we're looking at cooler weather in Phoenix. Over the last few days, we had some record warmth there. 81, still plenty mild and nice. 72 in Denver, maybe some record warmth there. Same for Rapid City and several locations in the central and southern U.S. And starting to warm up a little more on the eastern side of the country as well.